Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 13.3 question number 1. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Let us write it in expanded form. Number 1. Suppose this is number 1. Number 1 is 2, 7, 9, 4, 0, 4. It can be written as 2. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 7. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 9. After 9, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 plus 4. How many digits is there? 1, 2, that is 2, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 4. Right? Now we can write in this form that is can be written as 2 into 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 7. 7 into 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 9 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 4 into 1. Therefore, we can write it as 2. It can be written as 2 into 10 to the power. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power 5 plus 7 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power 4 plus 9 into 10 to the power 3 plus 4 into 10 to the power 2 plus 0 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0. Right? This is the answer of question number 1. Right? This is the expanded form. Now question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is where is 3 0 0 6 1 9 4. That means it can be written as 3. After 3, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 0 plus 0. Right? Plus 0 plus 0 plus 6. 6. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 90 plus 4. Right? It can be written as 3 into 3 into 1. How many zeros? 6, 0. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 0 plus 0. Right? Plus 6000 plus 6 into 1000 plus 6 into 1000 plus 6 into 1, not 100 but it is 1000. 6 into 1000, 6 into 1000 plus 6 into 1000 plus 1 into 100, 1 into 100 plus 9 into 10, 9 into 10 plus 4 into 1, right? That we can written as 3 into 10 to the power, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 to the 6 plus 0, right? 0 into 10 to the 5 can be written as 10 to the power 5 plus 0 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 1 into 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0, right? In this way you can expand the other also, right? Now we'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is, question number 3 is, let us find question number 3 is this one. That is question number 3 is, that is 280 280 280 6196, that written as 2, how many digit? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 8 50, 1 2 3 4 5 plus 0 plus 6 6 3 zeros, 1 2 3 plus 100 plus 90 plus 6, right? It can be written as 2 into 1 60, 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 8 into 1 50, 1 2 3 4 5 plus 0 plus 6 into 1000 plus 1 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 6 into 1, right? You can find this way as 2 into 10 to the power 1 2 3 5 6, 10 to the 6 plus 8 into 10 to the power 5 plus 0 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 1 into 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6, after that plus 6 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0, right? In this way you can find the values. Question number 4 is this one. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, the number is 1201 20 719 719. That can be written as 1. How many digits? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 plus 2 1 2 3 4 0, 1 2 3 4 plus 0 plus 7 700 plus 10 plus 9. Right? It can be written as 1 into 10 to the power 5 plus 2 into 10 to the power 4 plus 0 into 10 to the power 3 plus 7 into 10 to the power 2 plus 1 into 10 to the power 1 plus 9 into 10 to the power 0. Right? In this way you can find the various forms. Right? Now the last question is question number 5. Question number 5 is written as, here you see, question number 5, this one. Question number 5 is 2, that is 2 0 0 6 8. It can be written as 2, how many zeros? 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 60 plus 8. It can be written as 2 into 1, how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Right? That it can be written as 2 into 10 to the power 4 plus 0 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power 1 plus 8 into 10 to the power 0. Right? In this way you can expand the numbers. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.